students, welcome to the online English class. How are you all? I hope you all are good. So students, before starting our class, first I want to tell etiquette. Students, first etiquette, take permission before entering to the office and classroom. So students, whenever you enter your classroom or office, you should take permission. You should say, "May I come in, sir? May I come in, ma'am?" So you will ask like this. Next, wish your teachers. Students, when you see your teachers, you should wish them. In the morning you will say, "Good morning ma'am, good morning sir." In the afternoon you will say, "Good afternoon sir, good afternoon ma'am." So you will wish in this way. I hope you all will follow these good habits in your daily life. Now let's revise some GK questions. Children, tell me, when do we celebrate Children's Day? We celebrate Children's Day on 14th of November. Repeat after me. We celebrate Children's Day on 14th of November. Next question. Tell me, which city is called Pink City? Tell me, what is the answer of this question? Very good. Jaipur is known as Pink City. Speak with me. Jaipur is known as Pink City. Children, this is your today's Hindi homework. In Hindi you have to write कीड़े मकोड़ों के नाम. Children, to know the homework of the next subject, you will have to watch the entire video which I will tell you during the video. Okay, now let's read some sight words. Tell me, which sight word is this? Did. Very good. Did. Speak with me. Did. Which sight word is written here? Did. Now see this sight word. Tell me, which sight word is this? Out. Repeat after me. Out. Now see this sight word. Tell me, which sight word is written on screen? In. In. Which sight word is this? In. Okay. Here is your math homework. In math, you have to convert these numbers into Roman numbers.
Now I want to give some important information. Dear parents, as you know, we have already provided syllabus and date sheet for annual exam. And exam will start from 17th of March, but oral exam will start from 10th of March. So dear parents, if your child fees has not submitted, please come to school and submit your child fees. When you will submit fees, then you will get admit card for exam. And please submit fees before 15 February. Otherwise, your child cannot attend exams.
Children, in our previous classes we had learned about insects. Today we will learn once again. Children, do you know what is an insect? An insect is a very small or tiny animal that do not have bone, but they have outer covering shell which protects them. Most of the insects consist of 6 legs, even more than that. Insects live in forest, trees, grass, house, etc. Children, now let's revise name of some common insects. See this insect? Tell me, which insect is this? Do you know its name? Mosquito. Very good. Children, mosquitoes are small flying insects. They are found almost everywhere in the world. Children, mosquito has a soft body with a hard cover. Mosquitoes are very harmful insects because mosquitoes spread diseases like dengue, malaria, etc. Do you know what is the spelling of mosquito? M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito. Speak with me. M-O-S-Q-U-I-T-O. Mosquito. Okay. See this insect? Tell me, which insect is this? Ant. Yes, it is an ant. Children, ants are red and black in colors. Children, there is an interesting fact about ant. That is, an ant can carry heavier things than its body weight. Tell me spelling of ant. Tell me what is the spelling of ant? A-N-T. Ant. Speak with me. A-N-T. Ant. See this insect. Tell me which insect is this? Do you know its name? Spider. Yes, it is a spider. Spiders are found all over the world. Children, spider has 8 legs. Children, have you seen spider weaving a web? Spider weaves a web to catch its prey. Do you know what is the spelling of spider? S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. Speak with me. S-P-I-D-E-R. Spider. See this insect? Tell me which insect is this? Butterfly. Very good. Children, butterfly is the most beautiful insect. It has bright and colorful wings. Butterflies make the world a little more colorful. Children, butterflies are found in various colors: red, yellow, white, pink, etc. Children like to play with butterfly. Tell me what is the spelling of butterfly? B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Speak with me. B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-Y. Butterfly. Look at this picture. Tell me which insect is this? Honeybee. Children, honeybees are very useful insects because they make honey. Tell me what is the spelling of honeybee? H-O-N-E-Y. Honey. B-E-E-B. Honeybee. Speak with me. H-O-N-E-Y. Honey. B-E-E-B. Honeybee. See this insect? Tell me which insect is this? Housefly. Children, housefly is also very harmful insect. It is a small insect. Children, housefly loves to eat rotten food. Children, houseflies also spread diseases. Do you know what is the spelling of housefly? H-O-U-S-E. House, F-L-Y, fly. Housefly. Repeat after me. H-O-U-S-E. House, F-L-Y, fly. Housefly. So I hope you all will revise all these spellings at your home. Now I am going to speak dictation. So I am giving you time till 5 seconds to get ready with your pencil eraser and notebook. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Time's up. Children, write dictation and today's date in your notebook. Write first word duck. Duck. Write fast. Duck. After duck, you will write lily. 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 Now write next word taste. Taste. After taste, you will write skin. Skin. Write fast. Skin. Now write next word pond. Pond. Write fast. Pond. Okay. Now match your words with these words that you have written right or wrong. Now it's time for homework. What do you have to do in homework? Circle the insect's name. Children, here are some words from which you have to find the names of insect and circle them. So this is your homework. You have to do this work by yourself. Thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye bye children.